Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug in the keyboard mic and make sure your OS recognizes it. Once detected, open sound settings. On Windows, Control Panel right arrow sound. On Mac OS, System Preferences right arrow sound. Select the keyboard mic as the input device so other apps can use it. Make sure no other input is active, otherwise you'll route audio incorrectly. You do this early because device selection prevents conflicts later, and it lets you immediately view level meters to confirm the signal. Once the keyboard mic is selected, raise input gain until the meter shows strong but not clipped signal. Aim around -6 to -12 decibels for headroom. Next, enable built-in noise suppression or a low-cut filter to remove rumble and slow keystroke thumps. You should also reposition the mic slightly off-axis from the keys and add softening material or O-rings to the keyboard if needed. These steps balance clarity with minimal key noise, so your voice or desired sound stays intelligible. Now route the keyboard mic inside your target app. Choose it as the input in Zoom, OBS, or your DAW and match sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz to avoid resampling artifacts. Record a short test and inspect the waveform for clipping or poor signal-to-noise ratio. If you hear distortion, reduce gain. If too quiet, increase it or check preamp settings. If nothing is detected, make sure cables and drivers are healthy. Restart the app and switch USB ports to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.